The age-old question, can money buy you happiness?
Well, apparently you can buy happiness if you spend your money right.
There are three top ways you can use your limited resources to actually maximize well-being. Our happiness expert, UW-Madison professor Christine Whelan, joins us via Zoom from Arizona. Good timing.
Hi, Christine. How warm is it there today?
Oh, it is beautiful and sunny, but you're enjoying the snow, right?
Well, it's melting quickly. It's sunny here, so not quite Arizona sunny, but all right. So three things. What make it a treat?
Yes. So, for example, this sunshine in Arizona is really kind of a treat for me because I hadn't really gotten it for a lot of the winter in Madison. So it turns out that we tend to value things that are more scarce. And we have this trend called hedonic adaptation, which is we get used to the good things that we have and they're not giving us the same pleasure anymore. So anytime that you can make it a treat, make something a little more scarce in your life and enjoy it when it comes, you can really use your limited resources of time and money to get the most bang for your buck.
Is that the same way as saying, like, use your money for experiences rather than for things? Is that sort of what you're saying?
So yeah, that is a really classic thing that everyone says, except that if you do an experience over and over again, you're going to get used to it. And so then spending money on that experience won't give you the same pleasure. So yes, spend on experiences, but make it a treat. Do it not all the time, but in a way that can really matter to you.
Okay.
So you should love your future self?
So this is one of the things we do a lot. We tend to engage in what academics call hyperbolic discounting. And that's where we discount our future selves and prioritize our present selves. So, for example, I would tell you, yeah, I'm totally free in May. I don't have anything on my calendar. Sure, let's put it in, but I'm really busy right now. Well, when you do that, then that week in May gets really packed and you say, oh my goodness, why did I do that to myself? So anytime we can love our future selves and invest in our future as well as doing something nice for ourselves today, more the better, because that future self is gonna come.
What is your third tip? Seek safely and purposefully?
Yeah. So one of the things that's wonderful about all the advice on happiness and well-being that's out there is that it can give you a lot of great ideas, but not all of it is research-based and not all of it is sound. It turns out that everything that might have the power to transform your life for the better also could have the potential to harm you. You know, if you believe it's good powerful, it could also be bad powerful. So seeking safely means being a conscious consumer and asking, are these things really in keeping with my values or am I just following the latest trend? So if you make something a treat, if you really think about your future self and as you make choices today, and if you seek safely, these are actual researched ways, not just bubble baths and all those bits of advice, but these are real researched ways you can maximize your happiness and spend those limited resources to have a better you.
No buyer's remorse.
That's what we're going for.
Christine, thanks for being with us today.
Thank you so much. See you again soon.
See you next time.